Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and I'm here to tell you about these super cute pillows. They are the JASEN 12 by 20 linen and faux leather lumbar pillows. And let me tell you why I love them. So I was looking for something that went in my classic, traditional home that I wanted a touch of modern flair, a little mid-century accent. And I feel like the simple design on these pillows has really hit the spot. So I put them here with a more colorful chair, as you can see, but I love the kind of neutral and leather tones that really coordinate with the woodwork and other parts of my living room. I also liked them because the linen feels really nice and high quality, and the faux leather also feels really nice as well. People that come here always compliment these pillows, and they've held up really well. They come as a very simple pillow cover, and you can simply buy a pillow insert to put in. The 12 by 20 pillow inserts work great. I would highly recommend these pillow covers. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I think they look great in my living room. And that's my point of view.